Hey guys, so today Daniel Cooper, I'm sure you'll all know him, came out with a video to try this new effect that he put in place. I was doing it the opposite way, so if I had any white left over when I was doing my work, I would drop in the ink first and then I would put the white over the top and it would give me this beautiful marble effect. But he came up with, you put the white in first and then the ink after. So I've got my white organized. I've only taken 30 mil like he suggests, and I'm going to put them in, and then I'll dump my colors. So he said not to fill the mold too much, so we won't. I love this mold, by the way. It's a beautiful mold to work with. I think I've got about 4 in stock. Which other one? Let's do a couple of small ones. See how they turn out. Gosh, I've got black all over myself. Okay, so now, let's see if I can fill this. Okay. I'm using the same colors he is. See what we get. Oops. You just have to be careful because you don't want them getting mucked up. some orange in here. Oh, I didn't leave one for the coffee one that he did. Oh well, next trip. Let's see how that turns out. Another drop in here. Okay, so now that's done, we have to wait just put a drop in there. Now we've got to wait about, I don't know, an hour. Let the white do its thing, and then we'll be back for the next stage. See, you can see the patterns starting to emerge. It'll be interesting how it turns out. look at that one. And that one. Oh, wait and see. Oh, look at that one. Okay, talk soon. Hey everybody. Okay, today's the next day. I domed them last night before I went to bed. So it saved me again waiting another 4 or 5 hours. So we'll see how they turned out. Let's have a look. Maybe I domed them too much. Looks nice. The effects were quite good. You could see the colors. That area there is just absolutely beautiful. You got to see it in real time. But anyway, that's one. Oops. That's the second one. That's very pretty. Have a look at that. You've actually got to see them. Not sure if you can see it in the light, but it's really, really pretty. And the way the pattern is stood, that's gorgeous. I don't know what this one looks like, but I like how the white from the back is like fanned out and given that sort of like a halo look around that that swirl that I did. Not the prettiest of design, but if you look closer, you've got a little bit of petri going on in there, a little bit there, but overall it's really, the background and the colors are just gorgeous. Beautiful. All right, I should have actually taken all of them out and then shown you. This one's nice. This one's come out beautiful. Wonder what it would look like if I put a bit of glitter in there, like the marabou. That would have looked awesome. So it looks like a little fox sitting in a hole. If you can see that. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's so cute. I think this is one of those That's pretty. That one's come out nice. This is sort of like 3 dimensions, like you can see right down to the bottom. Quite pretty. I wonder if I can get some more light in here. It's a very hot day today. Today's 35 degrees. And so I'm close the house off for the day because I've got my little granddaughter staying with me, and well, I'm babysitting her while her mum works. Her mum works at the zoo. This is beautiful. This is sort of like a, you could see all the way past the ring right down into the bottom. That came out really pretty. That's nice too. The backgrounds have got me fascinated. Look at that. Look at the depth of it. It's just gorgeous. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's beautiful. And this is my favorite. Have a look at that. There's always one that comes out beautiful. That is so gorgeous. It's got like 3D flames just in a dark, deep color. Not sure if you can see it. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Look at the depth of it. It's like 3-dimensional. Like in this one, you can see all the way back. So yeah, I think Daniel's onto something. Daniel Cooper's my hero. I've been following for him for some time, right from the word go. And I guess my son's name is Daniel also. I lost my son last year. He was only 34, went to sleep and never woke up. So I guess Daniel's my hero. So those are the end results. Hope you enjoyed me doing this process. I'll tag Daniel, see what Daniel has to say. See you later.